2023 Mr. Olympia champion Derek Lunsford versus 2024 Mr. Olympia champion Samson Dauda. There is a huge comparison between these two bodybuilders today. I am here for comparing Samson and Derek. The first pose is front double bicep. In this pose, we are clearly seeing the shapes of these two bodybuilders are great, and the striations in the legs of both bodybuilders are visible, much better than Samson Dauda. So the pose of front double bicep goes to Derek Lunsford. There are 1 poses to 0. And the next pose is front lat spread. In this pose, we are seeing the shape of both guys. The taper of Derek Lunsford is a slightly better than Samson Dauda, but the overall shape and symmetry of Samson Dauda is much better than Derek Lunsford. The striations in the legs of Samson is much better than Derek, and the peak of Samson Dauda's shoulder is a little bit better than Derek Lunsford. So this pose goes to Samson. In the next pose, side chest, we are seeing the monstrous improvement of Samson Dauda and Derek Lunsford also. If we are seeing the upper body, the chest section, the chest of the Samson Dauda is much fuller and better than Derek Lunsford, but in this pose, if we are seeing the legs of the striations of Derek Lunsford are much more better than Samson Dauda. The striations of hamstrings and the IT bands of Derek Lunsford make win this shot. And next pose, the back double bicep. In this pose, we are seeing that the conditioning of Derek Lunsford from the back in upper portion above the glutes. Samson Dauda backs much more better, but the Derek Lunsford back is on another level, and the glute striations are clearly visible in the Derek Lunsford, and the striations of the hamstring, the hardness in the hamstring of Derek Lunsford is also visible. In the next pose, the back lat spread. In this pose, we are seeing that the Derek Lunsford's short heightedness is visible, and Samson Dauda is looking much tall because he is tall. And in this pose, we are seeing the conditioning of Derek Lunsford's glute and the shape of Derek Lunsford. This pose is a little bit confusing. Tell me in comment who is the winner of this pose. And in the next pose, side tricep pose, the winner is Derek Lunsford due to his crazy conditioning in the hamstring and IT band, and the width of shoulder to shoulder ratio of Derek Lunsford. He won the side tricep pose. In the next pose, abs and thighs, you know that in the 2023-2022 Mr. Olympia, Derek Lunsford has a worst or weak abs and thigh pose, but this time Derek Lunsford improves, and this pose goes to Derek Lunsford due to his width and the V taper of his body. And the legs of Samson Dauda is on another level, but in some poses these legs are not looking too big. In the next pose, the most muscular pose, the clear winner, one-sided winner is Samson Dauda. Now count the poses. The first pose, front double bicep, goes to Derek. The second pose, front lat spread, goes to Samson. The third pose, side chest, goes to Derek. And the fourth pose, back double bicep, also goes to Derek. The fifth pose, back lat spread, is controversial. The sixth pose, side tricep, goes to Derek Lunsford. And seventh, abs and thighs, goes to Derek. The eighth pose, which is non-mandatory, goes to Samson Dauda. And now there are 5 poses of Derek and 2 of Samson.